Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to remove an account from Google Play Store, and now let's dive right in. Now to remove an account from the Google Play Store, first open up your Play Store app on your phone. And after opening your Play Store app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where at the top of the screen you can see your current logged in account on the Google Play Store. Tap on the drop down arrow just beside your account, and all of your logged in accounts on your Play Store will be available over here. And if you scroll down a little bit, you can find the manage accounts on this device option over here. Tap on the manage accounts on this device and you'll land on this interface, and from over here tap on the Google over here, and all of the logged in accounts on your Google Play Store will be available over here for Gmail or your Google account. And in order to proceed to remove an account, tap on the account which you want to remove from your Google Play Store, and this kind of interface will appear, whereas at the top right corner of the screen you can see a three-dotted icon available for us over here. At the top right corner, tap on the three-dotted icon and you can find the remove account button over here. Tap on the remove account button, and when this box appears, tap on the remove account again, and your account which you want to remove from your Play Store will be removed from over here. And with that being said, guys, this is how to remove your Google account from the Play Store. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.